The top award for the whole award ceremony. It is the Global Bank of the Year Award 2017, and it goes to Santander Group. Please welcome to the stage Bruce Carnegie-Brown, Group Vice Chairman.
Ladies and gentlemen, as one of the few guests allowed to speak this evening, perhaps I could begin on behalf of us all by thanking the Banker magazine and Brian Caplen for hosting these awards tonight, and to thank also Michael Burke for navigating us through this evening so effortlessly. I'd also like to thank the judges who have worked hard to make their decisions and to congratulate them on the wisdom of their decisions this evening. And finally, I'd like to congratulate all of you on your success this evening. Indeed, it's a privilege for me to be receiving this award on behalf of all my colleagues at Santander, and it's a tribute to all of their work that I stand here tonight in front of you. In truth, the business model of Santander has proved to be very resilient in the last 10 years. And this consistency and stability has allowed us to invest behind a strategy of earning the loyalty of our customers in the last few years. And this has allowed us to increase and improve the number and the quality of the services that we offer our customers. And as a result, our customers trust us more and more to solve their financial problems. But we know that there's an awful lot more to do, that we must do to improve. And my 200,000 colleagues around the world work every day to try to improve on the quality of what we do for our customers. But the recognition this evening, I think, will give them a sense of enthusiasm and encouragement that some of their work so far has been recognized. So I thank you all very much for listening, and I thank you for being here, and I thank you very much for the award.
The winner of the Global Bank of the Year Award 2017 is Santander. I'm with Bruce Carnegie-Brown, Vice Chairman. Bruce, congratulations. It's the top award. Santander's had fantastic results this year. What's behind those great results?
Well, Brian, first I'd like to say thank you very much for the award on behalf of all of Santander's employees and all of my colleagues at Santander. I think in terms of the financial results, I attribute those to two things really. First is Santander's business model. It's a low-risk business model that has an attractive balance of business between developing and developed markets and has proved to be a very resilient model over the last 10 years.
So basically you're able to, when one market faces difficult times, you've got other markets that are coming on strongly.
Exactly, and nowhere more obvious than 10 years ago in the financial crisis, a big problem in the Spanish economy, our home economy, but a fantastic growth business in Brazil.
Okay, and Brazil's been very strong this year as well, hasn't it?
Well, it has indeed. In fact, I was there yesterday, and it continues to perform very attractively. And in fact, this year, of course, Brazil's moving into growth again after 3 years of recession. And one of the remarkable things about Santander is that it's performed very well even through the period of recession. And of course, we hope for even better things now the economy is growing again.
So tell us a little bit about the digital transformation that's going on in Santander, because you've always placed a lot of emphasis on digital.
Well, I think it's important to all banks now to become digitally relevant to their customers. And so for us, it's been about two things really. It's been about reinventing ourselves internally in terms of our platforms to make them more agile and more efficient, so that we join up what we do for customers in the way they want it. And secondly, it's been about creating digital responses to customer needs. So we have created the first digital-only bank, full-service bank in Spain called Open Bank. And we've also, in Brazil, where I was yesterday, created a digital payments platform called Super Digital, which just in the last 12 months has increased the number of customers on that platform by 500,000. So it's actually a very exciting time, and we're trying to devote more and more of our investment to digital outcomes for customers.
Okay, now the other thing about Santander is you've always had this focus on loyalty of customers, so that they have a 123 account and then they go on and buy one or two other products. Is there a link between loyalty and digital?
I think the key link between loyalty and digital is being able to respond to the customer. And I think all banks are learning this, and we certainly try to learn that lesson at Santander, which is you've got to put the customer first and therefore respond to the way the customer wants to do business. So for some customers, the branch bank will remain the most important interconnection for them. But increasingly, we're finding that our customers want to deal with us digitally. And the number of people who are interrogating their bank accounts and their statements now within the day is growing all the time. And so people want to be in more control of their finances, understand when payments are made, when payments are received. And a digital medium is becoming absolutely essential, I think, to be relevant to a younger generation, but also actually a more mature generation as well, as people engage in more active financial planning around the way they work.
Okay, 2018 is coming up. What are the goals for Santander in 2018?
In many ways, I think in 2018, Santander's goals are going to be very similar to 2017. We put out some key performance indicators for our shareholders and our investors back in 2015. And these were all around increasing the number of loyal customers that we have across the bank worldwide, increasing the number of digital customers we have in the bank worldwide, and of course, trying to improve the returns that we generate for our shareholders. And in 2018, we expect to do the same as 2017, only better and faster.
Bruce, good luck with that. Congratulations again on the award.
Thank you, Brian.